Hello everyone, welcome back to the Math is Tutors channel. I'm Unduka Akpe, a co-founder at Math is Tutors, and today I'm here to share some valuable tips with you to help you achieve SAT success. Over the years, I've had the privilege of helping numerous students realize their dreams of getting into top-tier universities, including Ivy League colleges. And today, I want to share with you 7 important tips tailored specifically for students who are taking the SAT in just a few days. Let's start with tip number 1. And that tip is review key content areas. Focus on grammar rules, math formulas, and vocabulary. Identify the areas where you feel less confident and spend some extra time reinforcing your understanding of those concepts. By dedicating time to review these important content areas, you'll boost your confidence and perform better on the test. The next tip we're going to go over is tip number 2, which is familiarize yourself with the test format. Take some time to understand the structure and the format of the SAT. Familiarize yourself with the different sections such as the reading, the writing and language, the math no calculator section, and the math calculator allowed section. Knowing what to expect will help you navigate through the test with ease and confidence. Tip number 3, take practice tests. Nothing beats the value of practicing under timed conditions. Take full-length practice tests and simulate the real test environment as closely as you can. Analyze your mistakes and focus on understanding the reasoning behind correct answers. This will help you identify your weaknesses and work on them effectively. Tip number 4, develop effective time management techniques and skills. Time is precious during the SAT, so practice pacing yourself during your practice tests. Learn to quickly identify challenging questions and decide whether you want to attempt them or you want to skip them right now and come back to them later. Effective time management will ensure you can complete each of the sections of the test on time. Tip number 5, master test taking strategies. Familiarize yourself with effective strategies that can help you maximize your score. Learn to use techniques like the process of elimination to rule out incorrect answers so you land on the correct answer choice. Identify context clues in your reading passages and use shortcuts or estimation techniques in the math sections. These strategies will give you an edge during the exam. Tip number 6, we want to enhance your reading comprehension skills. The SAT places a strong emphasis on reading comprehension. So it's essential to practice and improve your skills in this area. Practice active reading techniques, such as identifying the main ideas, understanding the author's tone and purpose, and recognizing supporting evidence through the passage. These skills will help you tackle complex passages more effectively. Now, we cannot underestimate the importance of taking good care of yourself. And so now we're down to tip number 7. Take good care of yourself. In the days leading up to the SAT, you want to make sure that you get adequate sleep. You want to also maintain a healthy diet and engage in activities that help you relax and de-stress. Taking care of your physical and your mental well-being will ensure that you are in the best condition to perform your best on test day. Just remember this: success on the SAT is within your reach. By following these 7 tips that I have highlighted, you will be well prepared to tackle the test with confidence. Best of luck to each and every one of you. And remember that at Math is Tutors, we believe in you. Now, if you are preparing for an upcoming SAT exam and you need some help learning these tips and how to master and apply them, we have a summer SAT course starting up in a few days, and the spots are filling up quickly. The information to register for this class is currently on the screen. Take action today so you won't have any regrets tomorrow. I look forward to seeing you in one of our upcoming sessions. Have a wonderful day, and remember, you are able to accomplish this success on the SAT once you apply the strategies that I have discussed with you. God bless you.